One of the beautiful parts of life insurance are the tax benefits that it provides. One of my favorite things to help people realize is that a properly designed whole life insurance policy is the only financial product that will help make sure that what you want to happen will happen when you want it to happen, even if you're not here to see it. And when you take our current economic environment into consideration, I think it's impossible to not realize the potential implication of taxes in our lives. So while so many people are focused on contributing to a 401k to reduce their taxes this year, they may not realize that they're actually increasing their lifetime tax liability. Look at it this way. Government debt is over $30 trillion. The unfunded liabilities in the United States are $170 trillion. That's over 508 euros per citizen. We have an annual budget deficit of nearly $2 trillion when you consider that we're nearing the end of the lowest interest rate environment that the world has seen in literally over 5 years. It's not good at all, as interest rates are forced to increase. So will taxes as baby boomers continue to age and put financial stress on the economy. The government will be forced to increase taxes to meet those liabilities. That's why I'm so passionate about teaching American families how to take taxation and political risk out of their financial planning. Altogether, I think it's fair to say that you're not going to get around paying taxes altogether. However, you can reduce your tax liability using a properly designed whole life insurance policy. Is literally the best place to store your safe money on the face of the earth. You contribute to the policy with post-tax dollars. It grows tax-free, and you can access it tax-free. It's also a great way to have each dollar work for you more than once, on top of being a savings vehicle and opportunity fund during your wealth creation years. The life insurance can be used while you're live through the use of living benefits. So let me run through a couple of these living benefits. First is tax-free income during retirement. Using life insurance to supplement your retirement income can bring a lot of peace of mind in the planning process. The average retired couple needs to plan for 30 years in retirement or more. During those 30 years, it only takes 3 to 4 really bad years to derail your lifestyle through market loss. Using life insurance to supplement your retirement income can bring a lot of peace of mind in the planning process. The average retired couple needs to plan for 30 years plus on average in retirement. During those 30 years, it only takes 3 to 4 really bad years to derail your lifestyle through market losses. Completely having a whole life insurance policy gets you tax-free access to income from a guaranteed account. That way,
you don't need to commit the cardinal financial sin of liquidating negatively performing assets. We call this a volatility buffer. This will allow your other assets to recover, give you more peace of mind, and reduce your tax liability. At the same time, the second benefit is what I would call accelerated benefits, and this is multiple-fold. If you become critically, chronically, or terminally ill, you can gain access to a portion of the death benefit while you're alive, completely tax-free. Now, I know people close to me who have had to use this feature to cover alternative medical treatments for cancer when they didn't want to take chemo or radiation, or maybe the medical staff wouldn't give them those. Now, most people think of life insurance as death insurance. In these cases, your life insurance benefit can be used to actually help keep you alive. Let's face it, many alternative treatments are not cheap. My father-in-law, as an example, is a solid 6 figures deep in his. Thanks to the alternative treatments that most people can't afford, he is alive 2 years after being given a 3-month death sentence, and it was all done with a tax-free benefit. So the third tax benefit is the death benefit of the life insurance itself. Taxes are one of the greatest killers of wealth on the face of the earth. That's why wealthy families understand that life insurance is simply a tool to pass the wealth from generation to generation on a tax-free basis. The other benefit of having a tax-free death benefit is that it frees you up from the stress of worrying about running out of money and having nothing to leave for the next generation, which allows you to spend your retirement and savings much more freely. A properly designed whole life insurance policy integrated into your plan is the only tool that will truly increase the lifetime tax efficiency for you and your family on a guaranteed basis from now until the day you die. With all the uncertainty in the world, take taxation uncertainty off the table of your concerns. If you want to speak with a Life 180 coach and learn how to increase your tax efficiency, be sure to click on the link below. Have a blessed and inspirational day, and I'll see you on the next video.